How to make stack of money with Blender. Download the money you want to stack. Perform the cleansing ritual. Add money as image as mesh plane. Add a solidify modifier for some thickness. Let's create the correct proportions. Change the measuring units here. Adjust values in correct axis. Add an array modifier. We want to stack upwards on Z direction. Go into wireframe and side view to eyeball the gap. Adjust as necessary. Input the number of bill you want on the stack. As you can see, this doesn't look lifelike. We need to introduce some gaps and randomness. Apply both the modifiers to access the underlying geometry. Apply scale and press F3 to search for mesh, transform, randomize. On the left bottom channel, change amount to a low value. And there we have it. Thank you for watching.